Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes.